Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I am doing a very first time doing a wax. Like, I have never done a wax before, and then the only thing different is that I'm going to be adding tea tree oil to mine. Yes, because this channel is a special one. I don't do regular things. So you guys, let's get into the kitchen and start the preparation. Okay, let's go guys. Come with me guys. So guys, we'll be needing sugar. So you just know the measurement of sugar that you need, and then we'll be needing lemon for this. So I just extracted the lemon juice. Like I said, I'm adding tea tree oil to my wax because tea tree oil is very okay it kills germ as well. So I'm also going to be using a bowl of water, but no measurement in particular. You just see how I'm doing it. So the first thing first is to pour your sugar inside the frying pan or pot, whatever you're using to make your wax, and then add lemon to it. Add the extracted juice lemon in, and then just know the amount of water. So I just added this little water, as you can see. And then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is to add few drops of tea tree oil. It's very okay. Tea tree oil is a very nice oil to add to your, when it comes to skin care, whatever. So I just thought tea tree oil will be very okay to add to my wax. Okay, so at this point, after adding it, I just turn on the gas and then allowed it to cook for some time. As you can see, it's already boiling, and it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So at this point, you just be very careful to watch to know when to take it off. And the mistake I made was that I took it down earlier, because I was thinking it's going to, kind of get harder when it's cold. But I noticed it wasn't giving me the wax. So what I did was that I put this back in the tray. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you guys. And I cooked it again for some time before I got the real wax. But this is everything you need to do for you to get the wax, and then you have to allow it to cool. And also you'll be needing a cutting material for the wax and a spoon or whatever that you will use to take the wax to wherever you want to wax. Okay, so you guys, do you know what happened? While I was waiting for it, it couldn't work, so I had to go to the kitchen again to make it, boil it again for some time. Now you can see the texture. Are you seeing the difference? So this is what will work for you. So I went back to the kitchen to recook it again. So let's start. You guys, I'm already sweating, so let's get started before the thing gets cold. So make sure you use like a cotton cloth like this to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so you guys will do it opposite to where the hair is growing. You can see I'm sweating. I'm just coming from the kitchen, so just do it like this. It's fucking hot. Woo! No, Daddy, are you sure you can't do this, Daddy? So you use the cloth. It's going, guys, but the problem now is that it's painful. Whew. Okay guys, I am done waxing this and see how it is. Super smooth and fresh, guys. So it's working guys. Thank you all for sticking with me till the end of this video. I love you all, and please don't mind that I'm sweating. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. You guys, it's highly recommended. Go and do yours and tell me in the comment section how yours went. But mind you, it's painful, very, very painful. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.